Welcome back. Let's dive into creating a line chart in Power BI. For this, we'll need a date field in our dataset. We'll use the same dataset we've been working with, which includes both order date and ship date. First, go to the visualization pane and select the line chart. Drag order date into the x-axis and sales into the y-axis. Done. Now we have a simple line chart. Our chart shows a clear sales trend over time. For example, in 2014, sales were around 484,251. Sales dropped slightly in 2015, but then steadily grew, reaching a peak in 2017. To see how sales vary by category, add category to the legend. Each line now represents a category's sales, making it easy to compare them. In 2014, technology sales were the highest, but in 2015, demand dropped before climbing back up in the following years. Add region to the legend to view regional performance. We'll see 4 lines for 4 regions. For example, the orange line for the South region shows it consistently has lower sales than others. Let's adjust the visuals. Open the Format pane, come to the Data Labels. Turn on Data Labels to display values directly on the chart. Next, come to the Legend. Choose a style for the legend, like line or circle. Come to the line style. Customize the line appearance with solid, dashed, or dotted options. Next one is markers. Turn on markers for each data point, adjusting type, size, and color as needed. And that's it. We've created a line chart, added context, and customized it. Now you can interpret the sales trends effectively across time, categories, and regions. As we've learned about hierarchies in the matrix, now it's time to explore drill downs in charts, which work similarly. Let's try it practically. Here, we have a line chart with order date on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis, currently displaying sales by year. In the order date column, we have levels like year, quarter, month, and day. To navigate between these levels, year, quarter, month, day, we use the 4 buttons that you already know from working with hierarchies and matrices. To drill down one level at a time, click the 3rd button. Now, we see sales by quarters. Click it again. It is showing the sales by months. Now, let's try drilling up. The 4th button is to expand all levels down. Click it, and on the x-axis, you see both month and year, giving a combined view of yearly and quarterly sales. Hover over any data point to see the year and quarter. Click the 4th button again, and now it is showing the year, quarter, and month. One more click, and now we're seeing sales by year, quarter, month, and day, but on the x-axis you are seeing only year. Hovering over any point now shows all these details. Finally, let's go to the formatting options. In the x-axis settings, under Type, you have continuous and categorical options. The chart displays in continuous by default, but if you choose categorical, you'll see each expanded level displayed along the x-axis. This gives a clear, expanded view of all levels. I hope this makes drill downs clear.